Alright, this is my math quiz assignment that I have finally completed, and I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. Go ahead and click Start to bring it up. Alright, so here's the math quiz. I got my personal icon. There's a little smiley face inside the star, but you can't really see it because it's so small. I have my name. I added the date. And it's all laid out where it is aligned nicely and looks good. Like start the quiz, the timer starts, and it works. This first one, 30 plus 2, 32. 37 minus 17, I'm pretty sure is 10. I guess we'll find out. 6 times 8, 48. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. And obviously I got something wrong because it didn't work. Let's try it again and hopefully I'll get them right. Alright. 27. I'm just going to go ahead and throw this in my calculator because I don't want to get it wrong this time. 6, 10, and 10. And it says that you got all the answers right. So as you can see, I have built this math quiz, and it has all the capabilities that it's supposed to, and it is executing correctly. And that's my math quiz.